In this video, we're going to again take a look at another spotlighted exam objective from the Autodesk Certified User exam for Fusion 360. And in this one, we're going to take a look at, under the drawing category, editing a border and title block. So this one here, as far as the level of knowledge and the depth of kind of content we're going to go into, is going to be pretty short, which means this video will be as well. So I'm going to go ahead and move into Fusion. And really what we're looking for is, here I've got a custom title block, and in order to edit it, really all that the exam looks for is, do we know how to edit the particular title block? So I can select it, and if I right click, I can choose the edit title block option. So with that, it'll take me into the title block file, or my template that I use to create. And really, there's not a lot of different options. Here I do have some sets. You can see I have some text in here that is just static text that just stays kind of alone. And then you'll notice that I'll have some different, so of the two text options, I have text, and I also have an attribute. So the attributes are the ones that are highlighted in blue. So if I wanted to add more text or change out a particular item, like for example, adding in a student name or drawn by, like if I get rid of these two options, the text option allows me to go through and draw just much like the text annotation tool. I can put in student name, and if I want to change anything like that, and then same thing, if I want an attribute, I can go ahead and place it where I would like it. And then here from the menu, I can either choose the drawn by. I can have a custom one, which means that when someone opens it up, they're able to double click on it and actually type an actual attribute in. So with the title block, any of the static text you see, for example, like teacher's name and my name, those were not able to be edited as you're inside of the file. So when you get that, but here the drawn date, drawing scale, they have a custom, some attributes that are put in. So I use drawn by quite a bit, and hit close, and I can change the height of it or change the justification. But that is one way to create a title block, as well as drawing in, utilizing some of the drawing tools, which are very similar to a lot of our sketch creation tools, as well as inserting an image, which is how I got my high school logo and the Project Lead the Way logo in there as well. So those are the types of things. I can always finish the title block, and then we'll be able to see here are the edited changes. So you can see I put it in all caps for the student name, and that's going to be what are the changes we can make to edit the title block. So again, we can always go through. My channel page also has another video on creating a custom title block if you wish to see that. But for the ACU exam, that's really the extent of what we need to know in order to edit a title block. So it's not going to go that deep into actually the creation of a custom title block. But if you're interested, check out my page and I'll be able to help you with that as well. So, all right, so hopefully this is a good, gives you a good idea of what to expect on the Autodesk Certified User exam for Fusion 360. So keep preparing, and if you have questions, let me know. In the meantime, you can always check out other videos on my channel about the spotlighted exam objectives and kind of what to expect as you prepare for that exam.